Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe and join the family. If it is not your first time here, welcome back. I know it's been a hot minute, but I'm here. So yeah, happy new year. For me, this new year is going really good. It's going really good. This year I chose me, and I've never ever chosen anything better. This year I really just chose to take care of me and do what is good for me. And I don't think I've ever decided anything better for my life. I think when the time is right, I'll probably share a bit more about that. But for now, I just want to take you guys along with me. So today is Monday, the 21st of February. And yeah, so this whole week I'm working from home. There's a lot of things that have changed, a lot of things that have changed, and one of those things is that I'm definitely gonna be more in the clinics this year, which means I also need to study a whole lot this year, which is good because I was, it's really good for me because I need to get back into that whole studying vibe and everything. Okay, but first of all, can you talk about my voice? Because you guys, it's been so cold, and I just came back from a vacation from a place that was really hot, and now I come back here and it's so cold. So like I just keep having allergies, I just keep sneezing and everything, and it's a bit rough, but yeah, we're gonna get through this. Yeah, I have a lot of things to do this week, and I'm gonna try and take you along with me on those. So today, for Monday, first things first, I have to plan my week. So obviously I did that last night. Last night was Sunday night, and obviously Sunday nights are for Sunday reset. Let me know if you want like a Sunday reset video, Sunday reset routine kind of video. I'll be happy to do that. But yeah, so I usually plan everything on here on my tablet, like my week and everything like that. And yeah, so for me to be very productive, I have to plan my week. I have to see what I have to do. I have to kind of have a visual of everything that I have to do that week. And then I also sometimes have to plan each day. Like today, for example, I know I have like a lot of things here and there that I have to do from different things. I have to study, I have to, do my business stuff. I have to do a few other things on the side, and if I don't put it all on paper or on digital, then I kind of don't do everything that I'm supposed to do. But when I have like a clear visual of everything that I'm meant to be doing, then it is a lot quicker for me, and it's a lot easier for me. Good morning guys, good morning. Today's Tuesday, and I've had like a pretty slow day. I woke up a bit late today, and I was supposed to have woken up at like 6:30, but I woke up at 8. Today the struggle was kind of real. Anyway, right now it's like 10 a.m. or so, and I'm just about to wash my face, and I wanted to show you guys what I use. So this soap, yeah, this one. So this is a handmade soap by a Rwandan local business. They're called Batina Rwanda. It was my first time trying it, and I'm actually loving it so much because this is like natural. The ingredients are natural. There is turmeric in it, there's like carrot, there's a whole bunch of ingredients. And then also I I've tried other local soaps, but this is the brand that I find has the biggest like size. I was very surprised, like when I saw this soap I was like, this is huge, because the other ones are like quite like a bit smaller. So yeah, the other ones I used to get them on Kasha Randa, but this one you just order on their Instagram page. I'm gonna tag them. She's a small business, and let's just support her because she's doing good, and I think she needs to be seen more, and I think more of you should buy from her. Anyway, so this is what I use to wash my face, to cleanse my face, and then I don't really have like a big morning routine. This is really good for me. Such a beautiful day. Like, it is so sunny, the sky is blue. Y'all, after like an entire week of ugly and rain and all that, it's just truly beautiful today. Like, look at how the trees look so beautiful. It's a beautiful and sunny day today. We went from lunch today with my friend. I don't know, you guys should remember her from one of those vlogs from when I was in China. Yes. Graduation. Yes, the graduation vlog that I attended. I think it's there, like I will link it somewhere there. But yeah, it was her graduation. And yeah, she's still here. We're still friends. Anyway, rock and roll? Yep, rock and roll, baby. Anyway, yeah, so that was it for today, really. Like, we went for lunch, I showed you guys a bit about that, and now I'm just going to church, and then I'll just go home and chill.
Imagine you get an accident in your vlog.
There's no such thing. Don't even say it. We are safe in Jesus' name. Ndagusabye baje. Okay, so damage, crazy damage, not so much of damage. This girl is so easy.